Hello, my name is Lydia and I'm a part of JumboVote, Tufts' nonpartisan voting initiative. Today, I will be walking you through how to register to vote using your campus address. At Tufts, we use a system called TurboVote, where you can register to vote, request your absentee ballot, and sign up to get election reminders. You can access this service by using the link tufts.turbovote.org. You will first fill in your name, You can then sign up for election reminders, either by text message or email, or both. You then have three options when answering the question, are you registered to vote? If you select yes, TurboVote will ask you for your registration address and a few additional questions, and then you're done. You can also go through the absentee ballot process this way. If you click I can't vote and are ineligible to vote for whatever reason, it will thank you for visiting tufts.turbovote.org and remind you that there are other ways to be civically engaged beyond voting. And finally, for the purpose of this video, I will be clicking on the No, I'm not sure option. You can register for the first time or update your registration info. Something very important to keep in mind is that you must register to vote every single time you move, even if it's to a different dorm. The next page will ask you, where do you want to register to vote? This should be where you live, either your campus or permanent home address. You cannot use a P.O. box to register to vote, but are able to provide a different mailing address if needed later on. You may use our campus address drop-down menu to pre-fill your registration info. Make sure you fill in your room number. Although Massachusetts offers online voter registration, you need an ID issued by the Massachusetts DMV. However, you can still register to vote by mail. Now, TurboVote is going to ask you some basic questions to get your registration started. On this page, you'll see the first button repeats the address where you want to register to vote. This page will be different depending on your state. Massachusetts does not require that you register to vote with a party, but in order to participate in a presidential primary, you must enroll in a party. So for the purpose of the November election, you do not need to register with a party. This page is about capturing your voting method. This year, JumboVote is recommending that all students vote by mail because of the risks of the pandemic, but of course, you still have that option. If you click by mail, you will be given your absentee ballot request form, but if you don't have an election coming up, it will be sent to you as part of your 30-day election reminder. The second to last screen is we can mail your forms to you. If you click the Mail My Forms to Me option, TurboVote can mail your forms to you. So, you wait about a week and find a bright blue envelope in your mailbox. It would include your mostly filled national registration form, as well as a second envelope that's already stamped and contains the address of your election authority that needs to process the form. TurboVote mailings are really helpful if election deadlines are not around the corner. However, if you have an election coming up, it's best to print and mail your own forms. And finally, this page is very important, and you should thoroughly read it to make sure you are successfully able to vote. It encapsulates everything that we talked through today. So, that's how you register to vote using your campus address. If you would like to learn more about how to request and fill out your absentee ballot form, please check out our other video at jumbovote.org. This video is just one resource, so if you have more questions or want to learn more about the voting process, please visit our website at jumbovote.org.